If it's time to install network cabling for your business and you have no idea where to start, this video is going to be your best friend. We'll break down what structured cabling actually is, why it matters, and how to know what's right for your business. Your network is like the highway your business runs on. Copper cabling is like a steady 2-lane road that gets the job done for shorter distances and everyday needs. Fiber is more like the expressway that's built for speed, distance, and heavy traffic. Structured cabling is about designing and building that whole system and making sure your roads, no matter what kind they are, connect the right way so your business keeps moving. When we say structured cabling, we're talking about the physical wiring that ties your business together. Your phones, your computers, your Wi-Fi, your cameras, all of it. It's the hidden backbone that makes sure your technology can actually talk to each other and run reliably day after day. There isn't just one kind of cabling. Copper cabling is great for most office setups and works well for desktop computers, printers, and access points. Fiber optic cabling is for when you need more, like longer distances, faster speeds, or when you're connecting buildings together. The right choice just depends on how far your data needs to travel and how much traffic you expect. Structured cabling becomes really important when you're expanding your office, adding more devices, connecting multiple floors or buildings, running equipment in environments with lots of electrical noise like warehouses or factories, or simply planning ahead so your system doesn't get bogged down in a few years. When it's done right, structured cabling gives you speed, stability, and room to grow. That means fewer dropped calls, smoother video meetings, and a network that won't grind to a halt when everyone's online at once. Plus, a well-designed cabling system is flexible, so you can add new equipment without having to redo everything from scratch. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Cabling projects can get complex quickly, and cutting corners usually leads to headaches later. The materials cost money, and installation requires special skills and testing to make sure it works the way it should. And if you're using fiber, remember, it doesn't carry power, so devices like cameras or phones may need separate power solutions. That's why design matters just as much as installation. It's not just about pulling cable, it's about building a system that'll last. That's why you have to make sure you trust who you have running cable. In a not so subtle segue, I wanted to mention that choosing the right partner isn't just about pulling cable. It's about making sure your network is designed to last, installed the right way, and fully documented so you're never left guessing later. For us at HRCT, it's about doing things the right way the first time, planning carefully, labeling clearly, and testing every connection so that you can trust that it works. We want you to feel confident that when your team plugs in, it just works every time. Anyway, bottom line is structured cabling is the foundation of modern business networks. Whether it's copper, fiber, or a mix of both, the right system gives you the speed, reliability, and flexibility your business needs to stay connected. If you'd like to learn more or find out what setup makes sense for you, reach out and we'll be happy to walk you through it. And if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and visit our website if you have any questions.